Shine bright like a diamond.
What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing a beauty room setup mini vlog slash tour. So this is my beauty room right now, which looks like a train wreck. We recently just moved into a house and our family kind of just put everything in here. So my items, I'm planning to put my mirror on that wall, keep that shelf there, and use this space for my filming setup. So this video, I'm basically going to have my husband do all the moving because my bump won't let me do much. So we're basically going to get into the setup part next, and then after that, we'll go right into the final tour once everything is got together. So we're starting out basically with my dad and my husband putting all the items kind of in place for the room. With me being so far along in my pregnancy, I literally can't pick anything up. But they got basically everything set up. Here is going to be my actual lighting that I get up every day. I got to put the bulbs on, which I stored in that bag right over there while it's moving. Also, I love that it has a click button that I can basically turn the lights on easy. This shelf will need to be decorated, and that side of the wall is going to be like basically all my filming setup. Extra storage with like random miscellaneous items. That down there is broken. I need to fix that for sure. Hubby is setting up my table. So I want to show you guys the light bulb that I use. I'll go ahead and link down below the light bulb that I use for my specific vanity. Basically, I'm just going to be inserting them into all of the places for them. I believe for this specific vanity that I have, I think I needed like 16 lights to light everything up. And so with that button I showed you, it gets everything perfect. And then I'm going to basically just go ahead and add all of my goodies. So just my mirror, lipsticks, a little flower for decor. And then I'm moving over to my shelving and I'm going to clean it up so the glass is all nice and clean for everything. Then I'm going to go ahead and add all my decor. So I basically just use this shelf for random items that I think are aesthetically pleasing. So I add purses, there's certain signs that I add, and I kind of just use this to spiff up my beauty room. I would love it to use it as a backdrop, but the way my room is set up, it would make it a little bit hard. I ended up not liking some of the decoration setup, so I moved some things around. But yeah, I'll show you guys a final setup of my entire room once we're done getting everything. Next, we're going to be setting up my actual backdrop, which is a pink backdrop that I use basically all the time. So I'm just getting those leg stands set up and tying those, and then I'm going to add the bar on the very top and have to secure one side so I can get the actual backdrop on it. I'm going to get the backdrop on it, and then I have to secure the opposite side at the very top, and then I'll just slowly but surely start lifting each side on the stand to get to my ideal or desired height. But yeah, this is my overall gist of setting up like the base part of my room. Next, I'm going to go into the final product. It actually took me a few days to do, but we'll take a look at that next. All right, hello my lovelies. So it is another day. It's taking me a few days to kind of get my beauty room together, just between being too pregnant and working. So I'm gonna show you guys basically my beauty room. This is up to what I could basically get to. I still have a few decorations and stuff to buy, and kind of a couple things to fix up, but otherwise it's a general gist. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I'll start with my vanity. So everything is set up as we saw from last time. I've gotten, my lipsticks added here. So this is basically all my setting powders. This is kind of like my daily essentials, as well as that little one right there. I organized my drawers. How I organize them, this is mostly my concealers and primers. All the foundation's going to be in this drawer here. Eyeshadows. Oh, why is it making that squeaky noise? This is contour and highlights. The bottom drawer is just some extra storage. This is going to be all lashes. And this is going to be just a kind of a collection of lipsticks that didn't fit in my other drawer. Here's some items that I don't or haven't used, which I might add in giveaways. And more storage in the bottom. So y'all can see my lac shelf here. My hubby really doesn't want me to hang much on it or put much on it because it is leaning forward right now. He said that he's gonna go ahead and secure that back there so I can finish kind of doing the final decor to that one. Right here on my window, I just have 2 pillows. Excuse the R missing here, it fell off and it's inside the purse. I just gotta glue it. I think I'm gonna keep this window fairly simple. If y'all have any ideas of what else I could do to it, please let me know. I would be happy to get all suggestions. This corner is my little jewelry, mini jewelry box for now until I get a big one for my actual bedroom. And then my 2 Michael drawers for now. Now this is my shelf, which y'all saw me kind of putting together and putting items on it. So this is really just my big decor shelf that I kind of store just all my pretty stuff and just like to make it girly and neat. And yes, I do use the purses that are on here, but I don't use them often because I don't want to scuff them or get them too messy. So I kind of store them here instead of like in my closet or somewhere they can get messed up. On to filming area. So this is my backdrop that you guys saw me put together. For my back light that I usually use, I kind of just have that on a chair for now until I get more of like a sturdy place to hold the light. This kind of just lightens up the back right behind me from the bottom. My actual table, desk, I have a chair, tables from IKEA, just miscellaneous items. These are brushes that I usually use to do my makeup when I'm filming. And then these are some items there that I still need to incorporate in some tutorial videos. So for my lighting though, I have 2 soft boxes from Limo Studio, my newer ring light, and then in the back it's also a Limo Studio light, but it's a round light. So yeah, but it's there to kind of give me some lighting from the bottom area. In this corner over here, I have my drop down or drop light that goes in the very top of me to lighten like above the room. This one I really can't put up by myself. My husband's gonna have to help me because you have to put a weight on it, and I have to decide if I'm going to actually end up using it or maybe getting some other type of light. If y'all have any suggestions for lighting up the top part of the thing, maybe like I need to get a light to go right above here. I don't know. But essentially, this is the finished room. I have a couple of photos that I need to put up. And otherwise, yeah. All of my lighting and camera information is actually on my Amazon account. The link below is from my Amazon store where I purchased all of these items as well as my camera. Basically, all the furniture and beauty stuff I got in here is from IKEA. Black shelf, IKEA Alex drawers. That tabletop is actually from, I think, Bed Bath and Beyond. I found that one luckily and it fits perfectly on those drawers. Because of this right here, it kind of makes the top part not align exactly. So I need to add some like double-sided tape or something right underneath the top part of that area so it can make it perfectly even. But otherwise that fits perfectly with those Alex drawers and gives me enough space to get ready. But yeah, if y'all have any questions about where I got any of my products or any suggestions on how maybe on the places that I specified about like the lac shelf, my window seal for decoration, please let me know. I'm always open to decorative suggestions because decorating is fun. Yeah, if you have any questions about where I bought any items that I maybe not have mentioned in the video, let me know. Or if y'all want more of a discussion of something, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer your questions in the comments down below. Otherwise, yeah, this is my beauty room. I didn't go in depth of like everything that I have, I guess, per se, of all the specific makeup items and everything. If that is some type of video you guys are wanting to see the exact products that I have, and kind of go through like every drawer and all my closet in here, let me know and I will be happy to film a video like that that is way more detailed. I also wanted to mention the light behind me, so the light that I get ready on basically every day, this was made by my dad actually. So we basically bought all the products from, I think, a combination of like Home Depot and Amazon is where I got everything from. If you are wanting to know kind of how I built that, or how my dad got that together, or maybe if you're just interested in maybe ordering one or just purchasing one, let me know. I can let my dad know. He can make one and we can try to mail it out to you. Or just let me know if you actually want the product details. I can kind of research and backtrack and find out where I got everything for it. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my beauty room setup and mini tour. I hope all of my lovelies have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.